Chapter 7.3 Siemens Gamma KNX Touch Control TC5 Functional Requirements. In a room office, there is the following equipment: function, device. 2 luminaire circuits for switching and dimming. Switch dim actuator N536. Another purely switched luminaire. Switch actuator N530. 1 switch socket outlet. Switch actuator N530. 1 blind with analog adjustment of slats and height of hangings. Solar protection actuator RL521. In all cases, status feedbacks must be included. For lighting and sun protection, 4 scenes are required. For room air conditioning, a room controller AQR 2576 with measuring devices for temperature, humidity and carbon dioxide concentration is used. The Windows state of the room is detected by a UP220/31 push-button interface. The measured values of a weather central AP257/61 are to be displayed. The wind alarm of the weather central should control the blind actuator and be displayed on the TC5. A colored light control, red, green, blue and white, as well as tunable white control are to be realized by a DALI gateway N14103.